What's up, guys? This is Matt with Solo Satoshi. Just wanted to make a video real quick, show y'all something crazy that's going on right now. So, I'm in my truck, and I'm hashing and driving, guys. I'm hashing over hotspot on my phone and driving. I have a Bitaxe running in the truck and I'm driving. This is insane. This is pure craziness. This changes the game. Imagine every vehicle on the road with a Bitaxe in it. We're going to decentralize mining. I mean, this is the proof right here. You can turn a vehicle on and secure the Bitcoin network. This is insane. Check it out. Let's see what kind of hash rate I'm getting right now. Let's see what kind of hash rate I'm getting. .2 terahash. You kidding me? 1.2 terahash in a truck. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Game changer.